Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the process is valid. Check your account level and mission count now. Once done, assemble the resources: 5 soul shards, 1 essence core, and 2,000 gold. Next, enable quick type in settings and assign a comfortable hotkey so you can trigger it instantly. Make sure to toggle auto-collect to reduce manual steps. You're moving immediately from setup to action. Don't pause, prepare items, set the keybind, and move to the next phase. You perform the core sequence at the shrine, ideally during the in-game night cycle for bonus rates. Once there, hold the essence core and use your quick type hotkey in rhythmic bursts. Time your presses to match the attack windows to increase efficiency. Keep an eye on the soul meter and aim to reach about 75% before you attempt any finalization move. Also, conserve energy potions for recovery stages. This middle stretch is about timing, resource management, and steady execution. You finish by initiating the final activation when the soul meter reads 100% and the shrine aura is visibly active. This alignment matters. Once activated, immediately consume a blessing elixir to lock the result and prevent loss. After success, verify the new quick type soul in your inventory and equip it if needed. If something goes wrong, wait 10 minutes, recheck your item list, and repeat the ritual. Often a missing reagent or wrong timing causes failure, so correct those and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.